Hi, welcome to Socialpost Health Channel. This is Dr. Chava Anjaneyulu, Senior ENT Surgeon from Asian ENT Care Center located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad. Nowadays, after corona infection, many people are suffering with a chronic cough. Initially, they are getting infection with the coronavirus. Within 1 week or 7 days, they are becoming normal. No fever, no throat pain, but patients are having continuous chronic cough, especially after speaking and after little bit stress. They are having continuous cough. Once a cough comes, it persists for half an hour to 1 hour. It may happen in the morning, afternoon, evening or night. Many people are having problem during evening and night time. Mainly this is due to irritation of the postpharyngeal mucosa. This is a pharyngeal cough, which is also irritative cough. This is mainly because these viral particles will damage the epithelium of the pharyngeal mucosa and sometimes delay in healing of the pharyngeal mucosa, or due to persistence of even dead viral particles there, it will cause persistent inflammation which may lead to the cough. If any irritation, any provoking agent, like if you speak continuously, or if you take irritative foods like spicy food, or if you take cold food, if you expose to the dust, or if you take spicy food, this pharyngeal inflammation will increase and pharyngeal irritation will increase, and this will give the cough. Mainly this cough we can subside with the preventive measures and medical management. Mainly preventive measures, precautions will help a lot. These precautions are mainly to reduce the intake of spicy and hot food. Same way, avoid coffee and tea which provoke the gastroesophageal reflux disease. And speak as less as possible, speak very slowly, take water very frequent, little bit water, take more times. All these precautions will help to reduce the irritation of the pharyngeal mucosa. Simultaneously, you take some medicines like antacids, anti-cough or cough suppressants, some inhalers which reduce the irritation. Here we have to take mainly anti-allergy treatment, antacid treatment, inhalers along with the frequent water intake. These almost will cure your cough, irritative cough problem. If you have persistent irritative cough, contact Asian ENT Care Center which is located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad. Here you get all the test and treatment for your irritative cough. You will get a cure of this irritative cough.